root of a number means what you can use to multiply itself 2 times to give you what you have on that day. So if, let us assume that this n is 2, okay? That is, you have root a. But because you have root a, you don't need to write the 2. It's the same thing. Just leave it as it is. Now you can say root a, let's see what it will give us. Let root a equals a raised to power p. Okay? So which means if you use this one to multiply itself 2 times, then you arrive at a. Therefore, when you use this one also to multiply itself 2 times, then it will give you the result of multiplying this one 2 times. So which means a raised to power p times a raised to power p is equal to root a multiplied by root a. Okay? Then is equal to a raised to power 1. This is a raised to power 1. Therefore, applying the first law of indices, a raised to power p times a raised to power p, this one will give you a raised to power 2p is equal to a raised to power 1. 2p is equal to 1. Once the bases are the same, then you can equate the indices. P is equal to half. Therefore, root a is equal to a raised to power half. Let's quickly do the same thing for cube root. Cube root of a. Let cube root of a equals a raised to power, let's say, x. Let's see what the x will give us. Therefore, a raised to power x times a raised to power x times a raised to power x is the same thing as cube root of a times cube root of a times another cube root of a. Okay? Then this one will give us a raised to power 3x is equal to cube root of a times cube root of a times cube root of a will give us a raised to power 1. It will give us a raised to power 1 because in 3 places, just like 8. Let's assume that this one is 8. Cube root of 8 will be 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2 will give us 8. So this one, applying the rule of exponential equation, you have a is equal to a here. So 3x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 over 3. Therefore, you can say cube root of a is equal to a raised to power 1/3. Now, you can, when you have 2 here, you are now having this one as half. When you are having 3, you are having this one as 1 over 3. Then it generally follows that nth root of a is equal to a raised to power 1 over n. That is how they have arrived at the law. Okay, so if what you have discussed here is well understood, kindly follow our page, share, and then drop your comments to have your feedback. See you some other time. Bye.